Wyoming Tech Directors, we are looking forward to seeing you at the upcoming K-12 Wyoming Tech Directors Conference in Casper, Wyoming, October 5th and 6th this year. It'll be my fourth time at the Wyoming Tech Director Conference. We work with schools, businesses, banks, and really everywhere in between in the state of Wyoming. But specifically, we're looking forward to meeting with those K-12 Tech Directors we've worked with for so many years. So this video, we're just going to outline 3 different districts that we've done different projects with to give you guys some visibility of what we've been working on this year. So at the Wyoming Tech Director Conference, one of the roundtable discussions that's going to be facilitated by one of our Bytespeed customers, Joshua Jerome, is about esports. So Wyoming is not the most populated state, obviously, in the United States, and it doesn't have the most esports programs, but one of them that we've been able to help out with is Laramie County Community College's esports program in Laramie, Wyoming. I actually have a YouTube video on that deployment where I interview Eric on the LCCC IT team who led the esports deployment. So go check that out, Esports in Wyoming, on Gav Talk's YouTube channel. We'll also have some kind of demo devices and a lot of knowledge on how we can work together to get Wyoming becoming an esports state and get some those student engagement that's so special about esports. So kind of moving on, staying on the topic of Joshua Jerome, if you're watching this, thanks for working with us, is desktops. So this is our most popular desktop model this year. This is in stock and ready to ship at Bytespeed, both in Intel and AMD versions. So this is just our most popular for a lot of different reasons. One is it's a true desktop processor. It's fully customizable. It's on the NASPO state purchasing contract, and it comes standard with a 5-year warranty. So just to obviously show some visibility, this is still VESA mountable. It's a little bit bigger than what you're used to seeing in the Nooks, but readily available, really price competitive, customizable, and ready to ship. So moving on is another topic that I'll be speaking about at the Wyoming Tech Director Conference is Bytespeed servers. So we've worked with a lot of different tech directors in the state of Wyoming, in banks, hospitals, a lot of school districts have deployed Bytespeed servers over the years. So those come standard with the next business day 5-year warranty, like I mentioned. But another thing too is if you're looking at deploying servers and you're looking at Dell, at HP, at all these other manufacturers, Bytespeed is using the same, if not very similar components, having a stronger warranty, having a little bit closer touch with our engineers, and generally very, very price competitive as well too. So Chris Rule at Sublet number 1 is actually speaking about his caching server, Cashbox. We've been a Cashbox partner for a long time with appliances, and that caching device has saved him a ton of bandwidth, made his network a lot more efficient. Bandwidth isn't an issue for every district in Wyoming, but deploying a Cashbox will make your network a lot more efficient and give you some really neat analytics that you can use, and it's E-rate eligible. So the next thing and the last thing we wanted to talk about is ECF. State of North Dakota schools in K-12 have requested bus Wi-Fi like crazy. They've leveraged ECF for student devices, for bus Wi-Fi. So one of the devices I'm going to be bringing down with me too here is the Cradlepoint Portal. So this is actually a custom device that we built, which is this case around it. I made a ton of videos on my YouTube channel about this as well too, and I will have this at the conference just to show you. But this makes the Wi-Fi for bus Wi-Fi completely mobile. You can bring this device on, fully charged onto the bus, plug it in on the bus if you want, but this will run as its own standalone enterprise-grade Wi-Fi that'll support 20+ users, give you the management on the back end. So this is just a really brief video. What we wanted to talk on is kind of what things we've deployed at certain school districts in the state, and what we're looking forward to talking with you about. Some other topics to look at is vape detection, AppStream for streaming student applications like Project Lead the Way, Adobe, interactive flat panels, and quite a few more things too. So we're looking forward to seeing you at the Wyoming Tech Director Conference. If we won't see you there, we'd love to connect with you on how we can help out your projects this year. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.